Hello, I'm Jordan Applegate, and I'm going to show you how to use the recall wizard. This is what it looks like when you first open the program if there are people in the database who are outdated. So what it would normally do is if you have the password, you can enter the password in here and hit enter, and it'll send an email to those people saying to go and update the recall roster. As it is, I didn't enter the correct password, so it just ignored my input. Let's start with updating user info. This is what the standard user is going to need to do every month in order to verify their data or to create a new record. So, click Update Your Contact Info. Enter your last name. Alright. Actually, let's do, I'm going to enter a fake one. There's no record for Dante's, so we're going to click OK. There's no record found for my search, so we're going to create a new record. It's pretty simple. Enter your first name, last name, and then just select which one of these applies to you. Active duty, branch of service. Edmund is in the Navy, and he's a captain of a ship, so we'll give him captain. That sounds good. Now, does crew rest apply to you, or are you mission essential? These mission essential, you're probably going to be the head of your section, like you're an NCOIC. You're always going to be recalled. That's who the UCC is going to contact when they initiate a recall. Civilians are not recalled for exercises, and so there's going to be an annotation on the recall roster so that people will know not to call you. If you're a flyer, choose crew rest unless you're mission essential. And it's nice if you can fill this out before you go TDY or before you deploy. That way when somebody tries to initiate a recall, they'll also see that you're deployed. So let's choose crew rest. Okay. Let's see. Let's say Edmund is in the dorm, so he's just in building 1, 2, 3, 4. He's in room 5, 6, 7. City, he's in Tampa, Florida. Edmund at montecristo.com. And you can enter a phone number. The only one of these fields, home phone is not required, cell phone is not required, duty phone is required. So we're just going to skip it and see what happens. Choose your flight. Let's say he's in the AOF and subflight. In this case, there is a subflight for AOF, so we're going to choose this one. If you don't have a subflight, let's say you're an OSAM. Have I made one for them? Yeah. Let's say you're in OSAM flight. There's no subflight to choose, so you can leave it blank. These two fields are for display only. You can't enter any data into those, so don't worry about it. Hit Save Record. There's a problem. So if you see red, you know what to do. Fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now let's try. That's how you update your recall roster. Let's take a look at what it would look like if your information is already in the system. Type in Dante's. Here's your information. Now you can see in this field there's now a date. That's the last date that you entered or validated your data. So once every 30 days you're going to get an email to come in and revalidate. Maybe you've moved somewhere else. So let's update this. We're now in 4, 5, 6. And then just save record. If nothing changes, still hit the save record button because that's going to update your date validated. It's that simple. So that's how you update or create a record. Thanks for watching.